Number 9. Using properties of determinants, prove the following. So here we have given a determinant equal to 4a square b square c square, which we need to prove. So the following determinant first can be solved by taking abc as common from the given determinant. We get a plus b, b, c, b, b plus c, a plus c, a and c. Which we solve by taking a, b and c common from all the three columns. Now we add C1, C2 and C3 to column C1 and take 2 into C1 common. So we get the set 2ABC multiplied by this determinant. Further, in the third column, we subtract the first column from the third column, so we get this determinant. Now, subtracting the third row from the second row, we finalize the second row as this one, and finally expanding the third row and multiplying it by the value of 2abc, we get 4 into a square into b square into c square, which is our required result. Thank you.